Hey guys, it's Stephanie with LivingWell Realty, and I am out here in Lilyana, and this is one of my buyers build jobs with American Legend. This is the 1523 floor plan. It's actually the model that they have here in Lilyana, so if you'd like, you can come check it out. But we'll be closing at the end of December, and so let's flip this camera around and go see what's going on the inside. Okay, so this home, they have the landscaping done. Pretty much the exterior is finished. They still have a lot of work in the interior, so let's go check that out. It's a two-car garage here, and we're gonna go in through the front door. So the flooring is actually not in yet, but it will be hardwood throughout, including in the office, and then all the bedrooms will have carpet. So here, turning to the right, this is the front bedroom. Nice window with lots of light coming in, and then a nice walk-in closet there. And then in between these bedrooms, in the front of the house, there's a full bath. So you can see there's still need to put the toilet in there, but most of the tile work is complete. And then here is another secondary bedroom with a walk-in closet. All right, so walking down the hall, to the left, have a linen closet there. This is the entrance from the garage, so this is the utility room. And then we have another bedroom. And this also has a standard size closet, and then a full bath with shower. And going across the hall, this is the office with the double doors. So this will have hardwood as well. And then going into the kitchen and living area, has this nice fireplace with tile all the way to the ceiling. Beautiful. Eating kitchen area, and then a nice open kitchen. Very nice and open. And there's some more cabinetry in the dining room area here. So going into the primary suite, we do have mostly everything done in here. There's going to be a frameless shower. The shower glass has to go up, the plumbing fixtures, toilet, and then some of the flooring. To the back patio. So you have a covered back patio and some good yard space. Okay, that is it for today. If you or your family need help with any properties in the Prosper surrounding area, I would love to help. Feel free to reach out, and I'll talk to you soon.